MadeYouReset is a new HTTP/2 vulnerability that exploits a common design flaw in HTTP/2 implementation, enabling attackers to launch massive DOS attacks. The flaw has been assigned multiple CVEs, and corresponding patches have been released by many vendors. The vulnerability is easy to exploit, since MadeYouReset is comparable in power and core problem to the notorious Rapid Reset Zero-Day vulnerability, which was exploited in 2023 and ultimately crashed large-scale services. DOS attacks are among the most serious threats to the internet, overwhelming systems until legitimate users are denied access and causing significant disruption and losses. HTTP/2 powers much of today's web, with over 60% of top sites using it and carrying about a third of global HTTP traffic. Its central role makes HTTP/2 servers prime targets for DOS attacks. Operationally, MadeYouReset bypasses the typical server-imposed limit of 100 concurrent HTTP/2 requests per TCP connection from a client. This limit is intended to mitigate DOS attacks by restricting the number of simultaneous requests a client can send. With MadeYouReset, an attacker can send many thousands of requests, creating a denial-of-service condition for legitimate users, and in some vendor implementations, escalating into out-of-memory crashes. The MadeYouReset attack is executed in a three-step pattern which iteratively repeats: sending a request, sending invalid yet protocol-compliant HTTP/2 control frames, and triggering the server to send a reset. The attack can also target DNS over HTTP in a similar manner. There are 5 types of MadeYouReset frames. Detection is complicated by the fact that each type includes multiple variations, some requiring stateful detection. Although HTTP/2 was built with DOS considerations, the complexity of modern servers enables sophisticated protocol abuse. The internet likely avoided serious harm thanks to the responsible discovery of the MadeYouReset vulnerability. This work highlights the importance of collaboration between the cybersecurity academic and industry communities. The discovery is part of research conducted at Tel Aviv University. We thank CERT-CC for managing the disclosure process and the vendors for helpful feedback. We appreciate Imperva's support. We hope the responsible process and information sharing efforts will address this threat in a well-managed manner, without damage or loss.